Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the Dynam BF 109. Have a little bit of fun with her. Making sure that had a crop duster coming by earlier. And anytime you have a full-size plane, they always have right of way. First thing you need to do is land your plane, because you don't know what they're going to do. So, and this guy was flying right over the field here, so right where I'd be flying. So I definitely did not want to interfere with him. All right, because that is AMA rules and FAA rules. All right, here we go.
Gear up. Gear down.
Okay, good.
Gear up.
Just want to make sure my gear was going up and going down. Well, the Dynam plane, you sometimes may have to cycle them a few times. Get that grease they got in there working. Man, that's a good looking bird. Good looking warbird.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Gear down.
Ho ho ho. I just love the markings on this 109. I really do.
Gear up.
Let me walk down here a little bit. Kind of see them lights now.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down.
A little touch and go there.
Gear up.
I'll bring around nice and slow here and low. Oh.
Gear down.
Whoa. I was going too fast. I didn't want to try that. So that's why, if you're not happy with the approach,
2 minutes.
turn around. If you're not happy, power out and bail out. There we go. Whoa. That sound at the end would sound like a motor spitting and sputtering. What happened there, folks, obviously was pilot error. But what happened was I laid up off the up elevator too soon to keep that tail planted, and I still had enough forward momentum to where that tail lifted on me, and over she went. All right, got that tail planted that time. I kept the tail planted, but well, fat guy needs exercise anyway, so oh well. Oh well. Come on. May have that battery just a little too far forward. I'm running a 3600 4-cylinder, which is way too big for her, probably. You want to run like a 22 or a 24 or 2600. So I'm running a 3600 4-cell. Just because I can. All right. Hey! All right. We didn't nose over that time.
Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute.
Well, she'll turn right around for you. One thing's for sure, that white markings on the end of those wings really show up really well. Sorry, I had to look away, check. I heard an airplane, so not my airplane.
30 seconds.
A little too fast there. The wind has changed on me, so I may still go in and give this plane some flaps. All right, well, there you go, folks. That is the Dynam BF 109. 1.5 meter wingspan, if I remember correctly. And just let you show me here. You want to hear this?
Motor off.
Motor off. Show you where I got the battery. Now I think maybe I should have had the battery a little further back towards the center, but gotta run the Limit RX with just stability, not auto level. XT60 connector. It's got lights. I've added these cockpit lights on. That's the only thing I've added other than the clear coat. And I probably should have had the battery just a little further back, maybe this next section of styrofoam here. But anyways, if I was running the 2600 4-cell, that's where it would be. I should have probably had a little further back, but I didn't. But there you go, folks. That's the this is Fat Guy Flies RC, and that is the BF 109.